Last year, a guy in Dubai signed a $40,000 check for a Rolex. 3 months later, he couldn't cover his daughter's school fee. He texted a friend, "Money's tight right now." Tight. After 40 grand on a watch, his friend asked the obvious question, why? And he said something that sounds insane, but isn't. Everyone at work has one. That's not an answer. That's a man buying a performance. Here's the part that should scare you. This isn't one guy. Studies on high-income earners show roughly 1 in 3 people making over $150,000 a year live paycheck to paycheck. Not because they don't earn enough, because earning more just raises the size of the performance. Bigger house, bigger car, bigger watch, same empty bank account, just with better lighting. This isn't a video about dumb spending habits. It's about the invisible machine in your brain that turns income into a treadmill, and almost nobody notices they're running on it. I'm not a financial advisor. I won't tell you to skip your coffee. That advice has the personality of a fortune cookie and twice the uselessness. What I will show you is the actual psychology, why your brain treats a raise like a license to spend, and why broke has nothing to do with how much you make. If you've ever gotten a bonus and somehow had less money 3 months later, hit subscribe. Because by the end of this, you'll understand your own spending better than your accountant does. That's not a compliment to high. Reason 1, lifestyle inflation. Every dollar of new income gets pre-spent in your head before it even lands. Researchers call it the hedonic treadmill. You don't feel richer at a higher income, you just feel normal again, faster. Reason 2, status spending. Money stops being about needs and becomes a signal. The watch, the car. It's not for you. It's a message to everyone watching. And messages are expensive to keep sending. Reason 3, identity protection. Once people see you as the successful one, spending less feels like admitting you failed. So broke people upgrade their image instead of fixing their numbers because the image is what's actually being protected. The fix isn't a budget app, it's one blunt question before any big purchase. Am I buying this, or am I buying what people will think when they see it? That single sentence has saved people more money than any spreadsheet ever will, because it attacks the actual disease, not the symptom. Rich people don't stay broke because they're bad with money. They stay broke because nobody ever taught them the difference between being wealthy and looking wealthy. If this hit a little too close to home, you're not alone. And that's exactly why this channel exists.